I really don't want my face up your ass. So, I think you better sit down, because I can't see. You going to sit down? You are lovely. Yes. Yes, you're very lovely. Okay, you come in. You come. Hello, I'm Josie Henry-Amian, and I'm the author of Silence, a novel published by Legend Press. This is my cat, Kitback. I'm also the author of several short stories, two of which have been published by this film. Come on then! This film will show you just how involved he is with my writing. I think that writers are very suited to having cats as pets. If you are somebody who is excesses of activity interspersed by long periods of laziness, then a cat is definitely for you. If you are somebody who is artistic and curious and rebellious and independent and all of those things, a cat is the perfect pet. If you don't already have a cat and you are an aspiring writer, I really think you should think about it. Yes, they're lovely. The one thing that I would say is that just watch this film first to help you decide, because it may be that you would find it too challenging. Because I have to tell you that they do require a lot of attention, and whether you're reading or writing or whatever you're doing, they have to be involved, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to see that through this film. Got two cats here. Here, Miney. Hey, two cats. Yep. And another one. Oh, that's not your dinner. Here we are. This is my cat. And this is where I work. This is my chair. Those are my other cats. My ultimate cup of tea, my laptop. And the reason I'm showing you this is because the cat is always on my chair. Even when I'm working. Even when that's better. Right, okay. Yeah, settle down then. Come on, lie down. Lie down. That's it. There you go. Okay, lovely. Yeah. Lovely. Settle down. Here we go. Let's lie down. There you go. That's better, isn't it? How about that? Settle down. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope that you'll watch my proper promotional video for my novel, which is available on the Legend Press website and at YouTube, www.youtube.com/legendpress. They have done a professional video of me talking all about my novel. This video is very homemade, as you can probably tell, and I'm going to just show some outtakes at the end, because you cannot believe how long it's taken me for me to do this. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Best companion. the most supportive. I have a dog and 2 cats, but this cat... Come on. You're the star. Yes, you are. Gonna let me tickle your belly. Are you gonna let me tickle your belly? Ah, there you go. There you go. He loves his belly. Yes, yes.